What is the difference between moderate bodily injury and serious bodily injury? Hey guys, attorney Zach Ritchie, the Marc Lopez law firm, here today to talk to you about the difference between moderate bodily injury and serious bodily injury in Indiana. In a simple battery case, Indiana's law provides that the state can prove injury by just showing that a person was in pain. This can be anywhere from a slight slap, poke, or shoving someone down. A person does not necessarily need to have a visible injury in order for the state to prove pain in a simple battery case. Typically, these cases are charged either as Class A misdemeanors or Class B misdemeanors. In Indiana, a Class A misdemeanor is punishable by up to 365 days in jail and a fine of up to $5,000. A Class B misdemeanor is punishable by up to 180 days in jail and a fine of up to $1,000. A misdemeanor can quickly become a felony charge if the state alleges that you caused an injury outside of a simple push, shove, or slap. In Indiana, if you are charged with a crime that results in an injury outside of something simple, there is a chance that the word moderate or serious is included in the state's charging information when they charge you with that crime. Well, what does moderate and what does serious mean, and what is the differences between the two? Moderate bodily injury, by definition, means any impairment of a physical condition that includes substantial pain. If the state alleges that the injury in question caused substantial pain, the state can enhance a misdemeanor to a level 6 felony, which is punishable by up to 2.5 years in prison and a fine of up to $10,000. Substantial pain can be thought of as pain that is worse than a simple slap, but doesn't require an extended hospital stay. Think of hitting someone that causes bruising or minor bleeding, or cutting someone requiring minor stitches, but doesn't break any bones or require an extended hospital stay or an ICU visit. If the injury is more extensive than that, the state can turn that level 6 felony into a level 5 felony alleging serious bodily injury. A level 5 felony in Indiana can carry a maximum penalty of up to 6 years in prison and a fine of up to $10,000. By definition, serious bodily injury means any bodily injury that creates a substantial risk of death or an injury that causes either serious permanent disfigurement, unconsciousness, extreme pain, permanent loss or decreased use of a bodily organ, or loss of an unborn baby. Typically, anything requiring a hospital visit that is more than a trip to urgent care will be classified as a serious bodily injury. Broken bones, concussion, organ damage, major bleeding that results in staples or many stitches, these are all likely to fall under Indiana's definition of serious bodily injury. Extreme pain is the state's catch-all when it comes to serious bodily injury. Even if the person in question doesn't have any broken bones or concussion, the state can still prove that they were in an enormous amount of pain due to your actions, and you can be charged with a level 5 felony. These charges can arise out of a physical fight or even if you get in a very bad car accident. If you're facing criminal charges or have any questions, please give us at the Marc Lopez Law Firm a call at 317-632-3642, and always remember, plead the fifth.